Imagine if you could hold the future of finance in your hand. Time is ticking and you don't want to miss out on this. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Academy. I'm Professor Hodiel. Today on Crypto for the Confused, we're diving into something that's been revolutionizing the world of money and you might be missing out on it. Remember, we're not your financial advisors, we're your crypto educators. Always engage your critical thinking. The crypto world is full of myths. We're here to separate the true treasures from the duds. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is like digital gold. It's a type of currency, but not like the dollars or euros in your wallet. It exists purely online and uses something called blockchain technology to keep everything secure and transparent. Think of blockchain as a giant ledger, or a chain of blocks where every transaction is recorded. Once information is written into the blockchain, it's nearly impossible to change. This makes Bitcoin super secure. Plus, you can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere in the world in minutes without needing a bank. No borders, no restrictions, just direct peer-to-peer transactions. From buying pints in London to paying university tuition, Bitcoin's footprint is growing. Since its creation in 2009 by an anonymous person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin's value has skyrocketed. From being worth pennies, one Bitcoin now can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. But here's the catch. Bitcoin isn't just about making money, it's about freedom from traditional financial systems. It's about being your own bank. You can use Bitcoin to buy everything from coffee to cars, or even invest in it like stocks. The possibilities are growing every day. So, why should you care? Because the world is moving towards digital currencies, and Bitcoin is leading the charge. On average, since Bitcoin was created, it has had an average growth rate of 40 to 60%. That is insane. Missing out now might mean missing a piece of the future. Keep in mind there are years that Bitcoin has a negative return, about 1 in 4 years. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, but it's pretty close. If this crypto class has been enlightening, hit that like button harder than a bull market. Drop a comment with your thoughts on Bitcoin. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, in the crypto universe, knowledge is the key to financial freedom. Stay secure, stay savvy. Catch you in the next class.